If you thought the leap from the Pocket 2 to the Pocket 3 was big, you are not ready for what's coming next. We've spent months digging through FCC filings, analyzing supply chain leaks, and talking to insiders who have seen the prototypes. What we've discovered isn't just an upgrade. It is a total reimagining of what a pocket-sized camera can do. We're talking about resolutions that shouldn't be possible in this size, AI capabilities that feel like magic, and a hardware shift that confirms DJI is no longer just competing with other cameras, they are competing with reality itself. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we are stripping away the rumors and looking at the cold, hard facts. From the massive sensor upgrades to the secret Pro variant that everyone is whispering about, this is your definitive deep dive into the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If you've been reaching for your wallet to buy a Pocket 3 today, stop. Just for a second. Because by the end of this video, you'll realize that waiting might be the best decision you've ever made for your creative career. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. When DJI put a 1-inch sensor in the Pocket 3, the world went crazy. It was the first time we got professional-grade low-light performance on a stick. But for the Pocket 4, DJI is pushing the envelope even further. The rumors of a 1.1-inch variable aperture sensor are heating up. Why does this matter? Because a variable aperture means you are no longer a slave to your ND filters. Imagine walking from a bright sunny beach into a dark, moody restaurant, and your camera adjusts its physical aperture in real time to keep your depth of field perfect. This isn't just a feature for pros, it's a lifesaver for every creator who has ever ruined a shot because the lighting changed mid-sentence. But that's just the beginning. The processing power inside this tiny device is reaching workstation levels. We have strong evidence that the Osmo Pocket 4 will be the first in its class to offer 6K recording at 60 frames per second. And for the slow-motion junkies, prepare yourselves. We are looking at a potential 4K at 240 frames per second. Think about that. Crystal clear, ultra-high-definition slow motion that fits in your pocket. This isn't just for vlogging anymore. This is for high-end B-roll, music videos, and cinematic sequences that could stand side by side with footage from a Sony FX3 or a Canon R5. Now, let's talk about the design, because this is where the leaks get really interesting. We've seen images of a chassis that is slightly taller but significantly thinner. Why the change? 2 words. Thermal management. The biggest enemy of the Pocket series has always been heat. 4K recording for long periods makes these little devices run hot. The Pocket 4 features a redesigned internal cooling system that uses a new composite material to pull heat away from the sensor and the battery. This means no more overheating warnings in the middle of your most important shoot. Speaking of the battery, DJI has heard your cries. The Pocket 3 was good, but creators always want more. The Pocket 4 is rumored to house a 1,545 mAh battery, a significant jump from the previous generation. Combined with the efficiency of a new 4nm processor, we are looking at over 200 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. That is over 3 hours of footage. For a travel vlogger, that is the difference between carrying 3 extra batteries and just walking out